Hi, my name is Scotty. I'm the creative designer for Scotty's Plantscapes, and I'm here in Ramona showing you this beautiful project that we completed last year. After meeting with my client, we had a blank slate to work with. We created areas in the design of the barbecues and the fireplaces and the seating arrangements and the built-in bench seats off the walls. Then added some water feature at the end to give us that feeling of nature and entertainment. We really enjoyed this build, and one of the greatest things we had was RCP products behind us to create this great backyard. And we're here in the front yard. Let me show you what we did here. So here we have the rectangles in the charcoal brown and the artificial turf with the raised planters going towards the circle paver kit. Here we have a Sky Ranch circle paver kit with a charcoal rectangle band around the outside. So here in the backyard we have an RCP antique cobble Sky Ranch color with a random pattern. And we continued with the charcoal brown bands. And here at the barbecue, we have a Simplice 50-50 mix of brownstone and graystone, creating this beautiful Simplice barbecue and countertop. Now this countertop we designed specially with RCP's help. Each piece was custom made to fit with the cantilever countertop and the extra 6-inch cantilever, so we could fit this together to have a almost seamless look. And this particular flagstone is Arizona tan. So this is one of my favorite spots of this project. With this Simplice fireplace made from brownstone and graystone Simplice, gas powered, we were able to create the bench seats out of the Stonegate Contemporary block to where we can utilize this so people can be more intimate around the fireplace. This is the new Stonegate Contemporary in a 50-50 blend of graystone and brownstone, used as a freestanding wall to divide the paver area from the rear yard grass area to give us more of an enclosed feel. And the top cap is Stonegate brown. So I really enjoyed working with RCP on this project. So the product is well designed and well engineered. I've been with RCP now for over 20 years, and their sales staff has always been accommodating, and the deliveries are on time when they say they're going to be there. And that's very important for us out here in the field, to make sure that we have our products when we need them. So I'm really looking forward to using RCP for all my projects in the future.